Pin le kum no. What are you going to do? Ngan hop ban late. I have to go. Kalok jong pi pat. What about your wife? Nga tip ban nga snow tour. I know and I understand. Cái pi tip. What do you know? Ba nga day ban yalam yaka. That I have to take her. Shanu ba nga late. Wherever I go. Khamtam lada pilek shajngai. Especially when you go far away. Ila janlong kaknie. She is about to become a mother. Kata kadei kakubor babha. That is a good news. Ila bansa marway. She can stay alone. Kumno ikon pat. What about the child? Kala ban im klem mapi. She can live without you. Kakanmao ben yapi. She always remember you. Kaong balano ipapa in one. She said that when Papa is coming, Kaiet bha yapi. She loves you so much. Sha'ai ukun jongpi. Where is your son? Udon bat imehe jong-u. He is with his eldest auntie. Uklemsa bat imei jong-u. He is not staying with his mother. Namar ngamdan hayeng. No, because I am not at home. Barabor ngasa shabari. Most of the time I stay abroad. Kumba katno snem minta. About how many years now? La kumba lai snem. It has been 3 years. Lano pinlet pai no. When are you going back?